guys, a little introduction from us. This is my wife Stephanie, I'm Robin, and this is Sam, our Labrador. We sold our home in the Netherlands and we bought, or we traded it for an RV, a little motorhome, to explore Norway. We love outdoors and we love the nature, we love the quiet places, like here in this forest, in this beautiful forest. And we want to share it with you guys.
Is it love or lust? I can't get enough. Don't ask why? Don't be shy. La 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 la.
So we started our trip in Scheemda, the Netherlands. And the first day we drove to Hamburg, I guess.
Yeah.
And it was also one of the moments we started to realize that our gas bottle had an end to it.
Well,
our fridge stopped working and we first didn't knew we were out of gas. So we had to find a gas point at midnight.
it was a little bummer, but yeah, okay.
Now we know our fridge isn't broken, so...
Yeah, we thought it was broken, but it was just a gas. Okay, well, welcome, new to van life, our first obstacle.
Passing every red light, I know I'm in over my head, a rebel and I don't hide. Remember all the words that you said. Even if the love was hurting, I'll be yours, I'll be yours.
And how was the trip further on to Sweden?
I think it was quite a long trip, but also really beautiful.
Yeah.
We saw like the best places. We went a little bit off road in Sweden, so it took a little bit longer.
Fine,
Yeah.
but
And also the sleeping along the roads.
yeah.
It was a little bit scary because in Sweden there were some posters saying like watch out, dangerous to stay here at night, and we were a little bit scared, a little bit.
Not scared is the right word, but
Some loves
I
to
think-
show his butt.
I think more alerted.
It was okay, it was okay. We
Yeah.
survived.
We survived, so long story short, we survived.
Yeah.
Tell me, would you feel my love? 'Cause I can't ever get enough. So tell me, would you feel my love? Yeah, I could never leave 'cause I needed that feeling. Let me feel your love.
Hoe bevalt het, liefie? Werken in het pensionada-leven.
Ja, dit is mijn nieuwe job.
And we also bumped into some other stuff, like we had to fill up our water, but we brought some small tanks to refill the water tank.
Yeah.
And it took a lot of time because I think for one full tank we had to walk 10 times to a water point. And it's good, it's exercise, but
Yeah, it's more practical to have like a water hose.
yeah. So we bought one.
Zo, dat hebben we net gehaald.
Speelgoed voor Sam.
Wat dan?
Een leuke knorbeer. Heel belangrijk.
Die hond reed het aan.
And our first few places in Norway were incredible.
Yeah.
I think we just have to show them because we can talk about it, but
Let me
Yeah.
feel
an
your
image
love.
says more.
9:05 in the evening, I'm all up in my feelings. So calling your phone 'cause I can't get enough. And I got work in the morning, early in the morning. But who needs sleep when we're loving it up? Oh, and what I gotta do this the hard way. My body wants to be in arms, baby. Something I regret in the morning. But I just can't resist when you're calling. I got a bed, but I'd rather be yours.
The first thing I noticed coming here in Norway was the air. It smelled so
So
good,
fresh.
really fresh air. It has a specific sense to it,
Extra fresh.
extra fresh. I don't know. It compared to Holland,
Yeah.
it's so different. And yeah, I like it. Reminds me of the other trips we made in Norway.
And as you can see, Sam enjoys himself a lot.
Yeah,
He
Is it-
loves to run in nature.
he's really wild, but his best days are in Norway, I guess.
Hey, wie zitten daar? Sammy en Basie. Vrouwtje mag hier mee reizen.
Actief blijven.
Oh. Hey Sammy.
Hij zit echt lekker.
Just wanna say when I call you on the phone tonight. Got a bed, but I'd rather be alone. No, I need your love. No, I need your love.
How did you like the space in the camper, in the motorhome?
The space in the camper,
Yeah.
the space in the camper, it's like a boat. It feels like a boat for me. To me.
Especially when you're walking through the camper starts to shake.
Yeah,
You could be on
okay.
water.
Yeah. But the space really good. I mean, yeah, it's a really big motorhome, so I had no problems with it. You?
Some tiny moments with some standing there, and it's those moments he doesn't want to go aside. But it's okay. We'll manage.
To the rhythm of the beat, ba 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 da bum, ba 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 da bum, beat ba 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 da bum, ba ba ba. To the rhythm of the beat, ba 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 da bum, ba 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 da bum, beat ba 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 da bum.
One of the reasons we bought this motorhome was because we wanted enough space for the three of us, of course. And one plus was that when you come inside the motorhome, we'll show you later maybe, but you have this big living space area between the kitchen and the couch, and that's also the central point
Or you can pass each other.
where you can pass each other, and you have some
Space to stand straight up.
stand straight up, and it's better. So what are the other reasons we bought this motorhome?
Yeah, I think especially the space, because most motorhomes don't have that much space at the central points. And we wanted to camper with our regular driver's license. So we were limited.
Dancing on dangerous. Dancing on dangerous. Dancing on dangerous. On dangerous.
To individual sense subliminal.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. We hope you like it. We try to keep you updated weekly.
And if you have specific requests about things you want to see on our adventures or like to know about us, just let us know. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and like this video.
We hope to see you next week. Bye!
See you!